Hi, in front of me I have Amazfit Verge Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Zepp Life application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, we need to tap on profile icon. Here, select the Amazfit Verge Lite from the list of devices. Wait until the watch is done connecting or syncing with our phone. Now, we can scroll down, and at the bottom you should see the Unpair button. Tap on it, tap on Unpair, and then tap on Unpair again to confirm. As you can see, the device disappeared from the list of devices connected to your phone, and also the watch will reset itself to the factory default settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.